Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO just several days ago, to be precise on December the 10th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $5.03. And at this point my main assumption was that NIO retested, basically it hit the level of $4.83, and we had two crucial levels. If it goes to the downside to the level of $4.83, it should retest it, and most likely it might break it to hit about $4.43, this previous level of support, or if it breaks the upper border of this resistance, it will hit again this green rectangle. And guys, take a look right here. Yes, sometimes you cannot predict, you can't identify the real price action, but my main assumption that NIO is more bearish at this moment. And let me zoom out to a bigger scale. I told you that from this top it should go lower, and this was my main price target, where we should see the reaction. Reaction happened, but it ended with the trend continuation. And for now, guys, unfortunately, I see more bearish signs. We are about to retest again $4.83, and as you can see, technical analysis works perfectly well. If you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to receive calls to action on a daily basis with a risk-free 100% money-back guarantee offer, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and on today's video I will show you the most precise analysis from the fundamental standpoint, and I will show you crucial levels from the technical standpoint as well. First of all, let's pay attention to the most recent news, and I have to admit that the main goal that was set by the CEO of this company is that NIO has to achieve its operating profitability in the Q4 of this year, and to do so, guys, I will show you that, well, it is not enough to improve their deliveries, but definitely it is a very huge chunk of this goal. But also they have to improve their profitability. And let me show you this article that is titled, wait a second, I will show you, NIO Stock in December 2025, record deliveries, earnings pressure, and what comes next. And take a look right here. Here is the very good summary of their recent Q3 results, and in general their results are very impressive. And because of these results, the CEO of this company set a very ambitious target to achieve their operating profitability in Q4 of this year. And to do so, guys, wait a second, I will show you that they have to deliver more than 43,000 vehicles in December to hit the low range of their target of 120,000 vehicles, because in October and November they delivered in total 76,672 thousand vehicles. And yes, it is quite high number, But last year they pretty much achieved this number. Unfortunately, it wasn't enough to achieve their main goal. But at the same time, guys, here is the reason why NIO shares lag despite the record volumes. Here is the numbers of their losses, and yes, they reduced their losses to 15 cents per share from the estimates of 24 cents per share, but it wasn't enough. On top of that, guys, they raised more capital of $1.16 billion in October, and they issued another 55 million shares right after that. And in general, they have about $5.1 billion cash on hand, and definitely it is a very good amount to operate for at least a year and a half, but they have to achieve profitability within the next couple of quarters. And these concerns definitely suppress the price of NIO, and that is why from this top that was established on October the 2nd of this year, NIO lost to the current point about 40% of its value. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? Let me zoom out and let me show you that on a slightly bigger scale. We are trying to find the bottom of the fourth wave, and this yellow line might be the level of support, but if it breaks it to the downside, the next potential level might be at $4.4 or $4.35. This range of support and the range of support from previous top of this first wave. And yes, it is quite a sharp and deep movement. That is why, guys, we might see another consolidation at slightly lower levels, and then we might see at least a bounce. In the worst case scenario, this bounce should unload this structure alone from the top of the B wave to somewhere lower price targets, this range. But at the same time, guys, if the price action will find range of support from the current level all the way down to probably $4.35, the bounce to the upside might be quite significant. Let me first of all delete unnecessary tools. I don't need this one, I don't need this arrow, and I have to adjust the bottom of the C wave right here, and accordingly to this bottom, it might be the bottom of the fourth wave. If this asset breaks this yellow line to the downside, the next point of control, as I mentioned, is 4.4 to $4.35. It is a set of levels of support and resistances, and from this point I anticipate its bounce to the upside. How high this bounce might go? Again, let's pull fib retracement tool from this swing high to potential bottom. For now, we don't have the point that is lower than this one, and if it goes lower, we have to adjust this tool accordingly. And for now, guys, if it is just a dead cat bounce, we have to bounce to the level of about 0.236. It is the price point of roughly $5.35, but in more than 70 to 75% of cases, this bounce might happen to the level of 0.382. And at the current price point, it might be up to $5.8 mark, which implies from our current price, wait a second, about from 12 to 20% of upside potential. But in this case, guys, this bottom should not be broken. And yes, NIO is in quite sensitive position. They set a very ambitious goal to achieve their profitability in Q4, but in the short-term perspective, the headwinds are extremely strong for this company. That is why be cautious with your long positions. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.